What is up, guys? Today, we are gonna be reacting to EAS Alarms Around the World by Hector's Productions. Uh, I saw a YouTuber, Wubsy, I think, react to this. Pretty funny, but I watched it like a year ago, and I was thinking about watching it again, or maybe a different person. But I decided I actually want to make my own. How about that? What if I make my own? So, I'm just gonna start by saying, if this video gets 3 likes, then I'll react to the second one. So, yeah, let's just get into this. Yeah. Alright. ES alarms around the world. Alright. What's the first one? Oh, yeah, just an introduction. That's iPhone, I don't know. Loud noises, whatever. Who cares about loud noises? Yep, this is the regular. This is what I hear about. This is what I hear every time there's like a tornado. There's a tornado coming near my house. I live in Oklahoma, so like there's tornadoes everywhere. That's what I hear. Whoa, 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 hold up. Well, that's scary. That's scary. If I was asleep, I would wake up. I'd be very scared. That's better. That's definitely more alarming than the USA one. Oh, okay, so this is just a gentle instrument. Okay, like that Japan earthquake one was just I mean, that's just chill. Like, if I heard that, I think that actually there's people giving away free money. Maybe it's the ice cream truck coming by. J alert. Okay. Not sure what J alert means. I mean, it sounds like a tornado siren, I guess. I mean, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Whoa. Yeah. Okay. If I was in Australia and I woke up hearing that noise, I'd die inside. Whoa. It's got a creepy vibe to it. You know what I mean? It's got a creepy vibe. Got a very creepy vibe. Very, very creepy vibe. It's just creepy. Definitely. It's not really alarming much. It's just creepy. I'm not sure how I feel about it. Just a little creepy. Definitely got a creepy aspect to it. I mean, it's pretty good. I mean, that's it. Sounds like ambulance. I guess it sounds like ambulance. Sounds like 5 ambulances inside my house. I don't know. I'm not sure what Iron Dome is. What is Iron Dome supposed to mean? I don't know what the Iron Dome is. If you know what the Iron Dome is in Israel, just tell me. Bro, whoa, whoa. You're saying that Saudi Arabia has a band opening in their siren or whatever, their EAS. So you're saying if I was just having a normal day, like if I was having a normal day and I heard that, I think, yo, there's a band playing outside my house. I better go outside and watch. No. You're not supposed to make that. Also, I guess Saudi Arabia also has their own Gulf War alarm. Yeah, that's literally just a band opening, Just a band. Band outside, the start of songs. Yeah, okay. Saudi Arabia changed it for the greater good, probably. This current one. Ugh, it's weird. It's like regular siren, and then added kind of like a creepy vibe to it. I don't know. Whoa! Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. If I was asleep, I'd wake up. If I was asleep if I was in deep sleep, I mean, no matter how much in deep sleep I would be, I would wake up to that. If I woke up and heard that, I'd die. What's this? Okay. It actually sounds really like how a tsunami alarm would be. Whoa. 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 Okay, I guess they made it louder near the end. Just to make sure you know you're awake. Okay. Okay. Pretty cool. And it just sounds like the average tsunami. I don't know. Look, this is what I hear all the time, you know? Get an Amber Alert on your phone. You get an Amber Alert on your phone, you know, that's what you hear. That ain't just in the UK, okay? In America, you hear that even on Android, I think. I don't know. But that's what I hear all the time. Like an Amber Alert, you know, kidnappings, whatever. You hear that pretty average. Pretty regular. Hear that all the time. Okay. Okay. Pretty scary. Pretty scary. Whoa! Ah! Whoa! 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 Okay, Malaysia. Okay, Malaysia. Okay, I see you. I see you, Malaysia. I mean, yeah, it's that'd be a jump scare. Okay, if I was asleep and I heard that, I'd die on the inside, and I'd probably actually die because there's EASs for emergencies and stuff. All right. Yeah, that's scary. It definitely does its job. Whoa. And this looks like an animal at the end. Yeah. And near the end right here. Alright, what do we got next? What's our next alarm? Oh yeah. Mexico. That's strange. Whoa. 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 Can someone translate that? Someone translate that real quick? No. I mean, okay. I mean, I see you, Mexico. You know, I was thinking it was just a regular alarm until they put words in the middle. Así se se. Así se se. Yeah. Okay, I see you, Mexico. Alerta sísmica. Alerta sísmica. Yeah. Okay. I mean, it's just a beep. I mean, it's not scary. I mean, it's just a beep. We gotta put more effort into it. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Did they just go into a traffic jam and then put a mic in the middle of the traffic jam? They just put a microphone in the middle of the traffic jam. They made it their siren. You can't do that. It's scary, actually. I mean, it does its job. Like, I'd wake up. It would scare me. It would scare me. I mean, it's the last one, except there's only one car. Whoa. Yeah, it's literally just the last one with one car. Finland. Sounds like Mogus. I don't know why. Kind of reminds me of like comms. I don't know why. Like comms beeps. Where if you're like on a call. I don't know. On like a serious call or something, make those beeps. I don't know why. Whoa. It's weird. Would scare me though. Sounds like an animal again. Definitely would be scared.
10, 9, 8,
Whoa.
7, 6, 5,
Whoa.
4,
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Wait, so China just, like, okay. I mean, I see you, China. I see you. I mean, like, okay. Like, I mean, this person just says words in between beeps. Okay. Pretty scary. Pretty scary. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. I guess if you didn't wake up to the start, then they wake you up. Oh. It's kind of... it's weird. It's weird. Okay. Sounds like the last one, honestly. Okay. I mean, it was audio recording, so 5 seconds. That's just a race car. That's a race car. You can't just put... You can't just find a racetrack, get a race car, drive it, and then call it your EAS alarm. Why? You can't just... That's a car. That's a car. Russia. Okay. It's a bit weird. Okay. I'm not sure how I feel about that. It's mid. Oh. Keeps going. Alright. Okay. I mean... Okay. Whoa. Wow. Whoa. Yeah. It's like Malaysia. If I woke up hearing this, I would die on the inside. Yeah. If I woke up... It's even got words in it. It's perfect. It's the perfect alarm. Oh, is that tsunami? Did I just hear tsunami? I think I heard tsunami. Yeah, this is actually a really fire alarm. I mean, it wakes you up at the start, tells you a message, and then does it for a second time, just to wake everyone up again. Yeah, I mean, why didn't they keep their alarm? Should have kept it. Actually, that's still kind of like last one. If I woke up and I heard that, I'd die on the inside. Yeah, scary. Scary stuff right there. Spooky. Definitely be alerted. Whoa. Okay. Sounds like you're in an excavator or whatever, like one of those things, and you're just backing up. I don't know. I just like another Gulf War one. Okay. Yeah, it's really creepy. Okay. I mean, I don't know any of the research, but I feel like Saudi Arabia might have lost, kind of because they put a band opening as their siren. But like, whatever. Portugal. Yeah. I mean, it does his job. Wakes you up. I mean, yeah. A lot of these are starting to sound the same at this point. I don't know. Sounds mid. Portugal. Ronaldo. At least I think Ronaldo plays in Portugal. Okay, I think he does that. Got a pretty fire alarm, though. I mean, definitely does his job. Right? Yeah. Ukraine. Sorry. This is probably what they're hearing right now. It's about what they're hearing like right now. You know, like the war. I mean, it's a mid. It'd wake me up. Yeah. This job. Lithuania. Okay. It's pretty good. I like this. Pretty good. You know. I mean, pretty fire. Pretty good. I mean, yeah. But yeah, it's changing a lot. Usually if the sound changes like a bunch, it makes me more alert, you know? Like, it's just like, rare, rare, rare. Yeah, that's waking me up. But this kind of like, when you hold the same note, it's not really as alerting, you know? Otherwise. Yeah, that's like 3 alarms going off at the same time. Yeah. Yeah, it's changing a lot. Yeah. Definitely wakes people up. Kind of changes a lot, you know? Pretty loud. Got a loud vibe to it. You know? Pretty good. Pretty good, I say. Windows job. Netherlands. I heard it's like flower. Maybe Netherlands people agree that? Is it actually that loud? I mean, I live in the US of A. So... Whoa. Whoa. Okay, that's literally just ambulance slowed reverb. Like, someone just recorded an ambulance, slowed it down, reverb. Yeah, I mean, that's really that. Whoa. This right here is like, I'm not sure how I feel about it. Okay. I mean, man. Well, I guess that part where it holds same note right there, it's got a creepy vibe to it, you know, kind of sounds like war. Just has war sounds, you know, what I hear probably. Alright, and... Oh, that's it! Yeah. So, yeah. If we get 3 likes, I will, watch the video on the right. And, yeah. So, yeah, bye, guys. Just, yeah, like the video if you want. Subscribe if you want to, also would support. Yeah, whatever, just... Whatever, I mean, you already know. Yeah, what...